If you want to build more trust on your sales page, your landing pages, one way is by linking some of the words on the page. So I've got a landing page here, and for example, here I talk about quizzes and testimonials, and maybe I want to write more information about those topics, but I don't want necessarily to create a new section that talks about it because I don't want the page to be very long. And there is a technique which is very easy to do with Thrive, is to have those words, for example, clickable, and when people click on it, there is a pop-up that pops up, and then you can put text on that pop-up, or you can add a video, and that can build a lot of trust. So let me give you a quick insight on how to do this. So the first step is to go to the Thrive dashboard and go to Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads has many types of options that you can create. So lead groups is the first one, lead shortcodes is the second one. Really, in this case, we want a Thrive box, and really all you have to do is click add new here, give it a name. So I've given it a name here. Just click add Thriveboxes, so you will see it here. Just go back to edit here, create a form. So the reason why it's asking to create a form here, it's that you could create multiple versions, A/B testing. In this case, we'll just create a version. So I use a naming convention like this, but you can name it the way you want. And once it's created, just click edit design. It's going to load Thrive Leads, and then from there you can create your pop-up. And it's the same principle if you know about, so you can use a blank template in this case. That's what I'll use. And basically you have this box here, and you can just use any elements that Thrive has to offer. Very similar to building a page with Thrive Architect. Just drag and drop. So it could be text, video, images, and so on and so forth. So it's a chance to add more information to the page. So I'll just create, in this case, I'll just put a video placeholder. So of course it could be text, it could be a combination of all sort of things. In this case, I'll just put a video just for this demonstration. Just save this Thrive box. And if you edit your landing page here, in this case, that would be the word I want to link to something else. Just select it, go to the link here, and just look for the name of the Thrive box you've created. So in this case, it's TB33. It's actually in the URL, so search for TB33, and then we have it here. So this is why having a naming convention, a number like this, it makes life much easier to find something. Just select it, click insert, and then it's underlined and ready to go. I'm gonna just save. And now if we preview the page I was on, you can actually see the link. People can click, and then the pop-up shows up. So that's a very good technique to give more information to your visitors without having too much page sections on your page. And for some people, they might not be interested to have more information, so they can just skip, not click on it. But for those that are interested, they can click on it, and that can be used for your, your information here. I could talk about, my accomplishments, for example, and that could lead to a video, and then you can, talk to people for a few minutes, build trust, and really encourage them to click on the call to action that you have on your landing page. So again, that's a very quick technique, very easy to do with Thrive themes.